Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Ranger inner door handle. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim panel removal tool. Having the right replacement handle is crucial, so double-check your part number. A clean, well-lit area will make the process much smoother and help you keep track of all the small screws and clips. Let's get started. Now, let's remove the door panel. Locate and remove all visible screws, often found in the armrest or door pull. Use your trim panel tool to carefully pry around the edges, releasing the clips holding the panel in place. Once loose, gently lift the panel and disconnect any electrical connectors for windows or mirrors, along with the door lock rod, to fully remove it. With the door panel off, you can now access the inner door handle. Carefully disconnect the cable or rod that operates the latch mechanism from the old handle. Then, remove the 2 or 3 screws that secure the old handle to the door frame. Once the old handle is out, position your new handle, reattach the cable or rod, and secure it with the mounting screws. Make sure everything feels solid. To finish up, reconnect any electrical connectors and the door lock rod to the new handle and door panel. Carefully align the door panel clips with their corresponding holes and firmly press the panel back onto the door until all clips engage. Reinstall all the screws you removed earlier. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Test the new handle to ensure it operates smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.